Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. This is about CorelDraw 2024 that I just got a couple of days ago, and I've just been playing with it and watching some of their videos, and they do a great job. But if you look, I have I have a bunch of objects on this page. And the old way to do it would be to go and ungroup them and change them, but they put in a focus. So if you click on your item and you right click, bring into focus, everything else is grayed out basically, and you can change that setting. But it tells me layer one, a group of 28 objects. But what I think is cool about this, every 28 items is broken up and you can change it. So we can make it yellow. We can still hold down the control button and give it a little bit of orange. We can go to the next one and make it green and hold down the control button and give it a little red and change each individual deal. And then when you're ready, just X out of it and you have a new group. So you can do anything. Click on that, right click, and bring into focus. Now it's just this one. And they're broken up individually. I'm guessing, let's try this. Let's click on that and shift select. Let's try to shift select every other one. While holding down the control button, let's make it purple. Well, I shouldn't have done that. Just hold down, just make them purple. So that's pretty cool because now you can X out and it's still one group. That's pretty cool. Hope that helped just a little bit, and thank you for watching.